First thing in the morning, I get up to go shoot. I would be broke if I really lived here. Just step right outside the back door and start shooting. It's great. Bugs aren't too bad today. Only seen a couple. I'm gonna shoot a little bit. Privacy, quiet. I love it. I love it. Hey, I'm gonna shoot my pretty gun. Pretty golden black regard. This thing shoots so smooth. It's like butter. Down. This is the one I'm gonna get you to shoot, Jada. It's really smooth and easy. This one might become my self-defense gun. It's just a little on the heavy side. It's got a lot of stuff going on when you try to rack it, and it hurts your hand, but ooh, I gotta clean it. Oh yeah, the gold's getting dirty. That's what I'll be doing when I go home. It's crazy. It's like once the bugs get to know you, they leave you alone. You first walk out here, they're all over you, and now they're not. Anyway, got my scorpion. My shoulder's sore a little bit from shooting yesterday, but that ain't gonna stop me. You hear all the echoing bouncing off? I love it. Of course, I shot the sign up pretty good, all in the middle, just where I wanted it. Wish I could still carry this. I don't know if you can see it. I did that yesterday, so I'm going to tear it up some more. Haven't shot my stormtrooper in a while, so I'll get the best of it while I'm out here. I got buckshots in here today. So, go rip my shoulder off, I'm sure. Alright. Alright, let's see. I got earplugs in, but hold on. Let me get my earphones. Oh my god, that was loud. Now my ears are gonna be ringing all day. Ugh. How dare I forget my earphones? Tore that sign down. I got one more bag to go. Woo! And now I'm gonna shoot a little bit with the AR before I go to the museum and the carnival today. Then I'll come back later and do the rest. I do that just for the smell. I love the smell of And my basket caught everything, so I don't have to clean up. I was gonna grab me a few ears of corn, but it looks like the farmers already got to it before I could because there's not one up there. Look at all this corn for miles. Who eats all this? I just wanted about 6. Oh well. At NASA Museum. This is inside of the museum. All the spaceship info. A potato would have loved this little museum. All these kiddie activities. Aww. Next time, Jada Taters. Oh, this thing is super cool. Okay, Darius, you're up. You're up. Come on. There's your Jupiter. He loves the science crap. Here's the uniform. Don't know what that is. Look at that little one. Look at that little teeny thing. Could lift a 100-pound payload to 500 miles altitude. Alright, it's not a big museum, but it was free and it was cute. Here's the outside, little rockets.
Yeah, it's up on my head.
It's cool. It's cool. And this is the outside of NASA. All this land. Can't really do nothing because of all the water. The trail, look at this trail. I used to do this when I was a kid. Catch crawdaddies in the ditch. I don't know, might catch some more stuff over here. Looks a little snaky-fied. Chicken shit is up there.
Yeah, you see that right there? So you got one crawling on your leg.
Mm-mm.
Take a chunk out of your leg.
I hope not. This is so cool, so quiet and peaceful. I love the country. I need to move. I guess I'll save that for retirement. Today, we decided to try Bill's Prime Seafood. I got the stuffed shrimp and he got quesadillas and fries. I didn't take a picture of my good old salad and my big loaf of bread they gave me, but it was super good. Mmm. Yummy. Taking a little walk at the Chincoteague Pier. We just ate. We're at the Island Creamery. Yummy. My favorite. It's so hot out here. It's just melting all over. Oh, roadkill. He ran over his head, right?
That was the middle of his body. His head still good.
Well, I ain't going near. Oh, there he is. Aw, poor snaky poo.